Hi, my name's Anna Eastman and I'm doing my level 7 with Harley Academy. I finished all my practical bits and bobs and now I'm just doing my coursework and exams, so hopefully finishing soon. I really enjoyed it. I think coming from a surgical background, I really enjoyed the anatomy side of things. It was really eye-opening starting to think about aesthetics and how it fits in with my previous background knowledge. All the faculty were really, really good. I've certainly asked lots of questions and they've all been really friendly and informative. The overall teaching experience was really, really good. It was hands-on, which works well for me. The one-to-one mentoring, I think you really get your teeth into the course, really sort of cementing your theoretical knowledge with the practical side of things. And because it's one-on-one with your mentor, you've got endless time for questions. The thing I've enjoyed most about the level 7 is the mentoring sessions. It provides really good, invaluable one-to-one time with a mentor where you can ask lots of questions. And it's nice to put theory, the academic side of things into practice, really get your teeth into it. Makes you slow down, think about things a bit more. It gives you that, I suppose, safety blanket of knowledge, knowing that you've got a good foundation. You've thought about the anatomy, the physiology, the contraindications about the patient. It's a whole 360 way of learning. I suppose for the aesthetics and meeting patients' expectations and giving them what they would consider a beautiful look and a finish, that was certainly more nerve-wracking, but the actual injecting and handling needles, I do that in my day-to-day NHS background. I had zero experience but doing any aesthetics before starting with Harley Academy. Oh, best bit of advice. Don't be afraid to ask questions. I think you're not alone and there'll be lots of other practitioners. Make friends. You need that support and all of the mentors are very, very happy to help. I chose Harley Academy from a recommendation from a colleague who also works in aesthetics, and doing a bit of background research, realised that Harley Academy would give me the best 360 approach, teaching, learning, and make me feel most confident for practice. Would I recommend Harley Academy? Yes, 10 out of 10 I would. Using Harley Academy level 7 teaching when I'm doing my everyday practice, I know that I've got the underpinning knowledge from the theoretical side of teaching. And I also remember my mentor talking to me in my ears, talking me through the individual procedures that I'm doing, even down to talking to the patients, taking a really nice clear history, finding out what it is that they want, trying to meet their expectations, but also managing their expectations. And all of that background, was provided to me by doing the level 7. I started the level 7 in February last year. Got through all of the practical things really, really quickly. I was very excited to do them. And then the academic side of things, I've slowed down, not because through any fault of Harley Academy, just my clinical practice has gone mad and finding the time to sit down and complete my exams. I'm having to sort of say no to patients, which I don't want to do. So it's all been really good.